Hey pet lovers, welcome to Posh Pup Review. Today we're reviewing PAWZ, P-A-W-Z. We have sanitizing wipes, spray, PAWZ dog boots, and Max Wax. This is the sanitizer wipes. You can use it to wipe your pet's feet. 100% safe for daily use. It's alcohol free and non-toxic. They can lick it. If they lick their feet, it's okay. And it's good to use it after each walk. This is the spray as well. It eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, virus, fungus, and odor. Removes the street from your dog's feet is the saying on the back of it. Next we have the Max Wax. It's moisturizing wax. It also adds a layer of protection to your dog's paws for heat and chemicals and cold. It smells really nice too. And these are the boots. They're the PAWZ dog boots. They come in size extra large to medium small, extra small, and tiny. It offers year-round protection. Make sure you keep your house and your floors nice and clean because our pets step in some really funky stuff when we're out. There are 12 boots per pack, and they are disposable or reusable, and they are waterproof. They look like little balloons, and you sort of pull them on. I'm just practicing on my little finger because I'm not sure my dog's okay with this yet. She's fine with the spray and the wipes, but she's never worn anything on her feet. And they sort of roll off, but they do stay on really, really well and tight. She does not mind the sanitizing spray at all. This is actually cool. You can put it in your bag and it has a lock. 2 different ways to lock it so that the spray doesn't start spraying everywhere in your bag and you don't lose it. And you have to put it down to start the spray. There we go. Spritz. Then you can lock it. These are the wipes, and they just kind of come out. They look just like cleaning wipes. Okay, so here's the size chart you can see, and the spray. They send you a whole bunch of information on each item and how to use it, what it's good for. This is nice for a little paw massage if you want to do that for your dog. And also, this is saying that it's too hot for you, it's too hot for your pet. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.